What if you could reset everything about your life in just 21 days? What if I told you it doesn't take a long time to turn things around when you feel stuck or like you're not progressing in life? You may be thinking this isn't possible. But if you're willing to do whatever it takes to escape your current situation, then I want you to listen up because I have a simple game plan for you to follow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset everything about your life in just 21 days. If you're new here, welcome. Here we discuss everything self-improvement, motivation, and entrepreneurship. Let's get into it. I need you to understand something very important. No one is coming to save you. You are responsible for your own happiness and well-being. And while it's nice to have people in your corner, ultimately, you must be willing to save yourself. That means getting what you want out of life through your own actions rather than waiting for someone else to hand it to you. This might seem like a harsh reality, but it's necessary to realize if you want to make real changes in your life. Don't wait around for someone to hand you what you want. Go after it yourself. Remember, you are the hero of your own story. You must take charge and go after what you want. No one will do it for you. If you want to make real changes in your life, you need to take responsibility for your actions and be willing to face the consequences. Only then can you truly be in control of your destiny. Now let's move on to the steps. Step 1. Do a full detox. When it comes to resetting your life, it's essential to start with a clean slate. Think of it like pressing the reset button on an old video game. To really change things up and make progress, you need to clear out all the old stuff that's weighing you down. Imagine trying to play a video game with blurry, scratched-up lenses. It's hard to see clearly and make good decisions. The same goes for your mind and environment. If you're surrounded by negative people, bad habits, and clutter, it's gonna be tough to stay focused and motivated. That's why the first step is to do a full detox of both your environment and mindset. Get rid of anything that's holding you back or distracting you from your goals. And don't worry, I'll be here guiding you through the process every step of the way. By the end of this video, you lines have a clear vision of what needs to be done to transform your life in just 21 days. So let's get started. Let's begin with your surroundings. You see, the space you occupy is an extension of yourself. If it's cluttered, disorganized, and full of stuff that no longer serves a purpose, it's time for a change. Take a look at the room you spend most of your time in. Is it messy, uninspiring, and in need of a makeover? Or B, your workspace is piled high with useless knickknacks that distract you from getting work done. Whatever the case may be, it's time to declutter and create a more productive and clear-minded environment. Start by getting rid of anything that you don't use, need, or love. Donate, sell, or throw away anything that is just taking up space and doesn't serve a purpose in your life. As you declutter your physical space, you'll start to feel a sense of relief and clarity. This is the first step towards creating a life that you're excited about. But it's not just about the physical space. You also need to detoxify your mind from negative thoughts and beliefs that are holding you back. This can be challenging, but it's crucial to break free from the patterns that have been keeping you stuck. To do this, take some time to reflect on your past experiences and identify any negative thoughts or beliefs that have been holding you back. Write them down and then challenge each one. Ask yourself if there's any truth to it and if it's really serving you. Once you've identified these negative thought patterns, it's time to start replacing them with positive affirmations. Create a list of positive statements that reflect the kind of person you want to be and the life you want to live. Repeat these affirmations to yourself every day until they become your new beliefs. Remember, it takes time to break old habits and create new ones. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing until you see results. By detoxifying both your environment and your mindset, you'll create the perfect foundation for the changes you want to make in your life. It's time to move on to step 2. Now that you have a clean and clutter-free environment to work with, it's time to put your energy towards something more productive. Let me introduce you to the next step in our 21-day reset. Conduct an audit of your relationships. Yes, it's time to take a good hard look at the people you're spending your time with. Think of it like dusting off an old photo album and organizing it. You wouldn't keep a photo of someone you don't know or care about, right? Well, the same goes for your relationships. You need to decide which people are worth keeping in your life and which ones need to go. Take a close look at the relationships you have with friends, family, and romantic partners. Ask yourself if these people are bringing positivity into your life or if they are just causing drama and stress. Be honest with yourself and don't be afraid to cut ties with anyone who doesn't bring value to your life. Imagine your life as a sailboat on the open sea. Your relationships are like anchors that either weigh you down or help you sail smoothly towards your destination. By cutting loose the toxic anchors, you'll be able to navigate your life more easily and reach your desired destination. It's time to weigh anchor and set sail for a brighter future. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, knowing that you're surrounded by people who support and encourage you to be your best self. That's the kind of environment you want to create. Not only will this help you declutter your life, but it will also give you a sense of peace and clarity that you may have never experienced before. With a clean slate and a clear mind, you'll be ready to take on the world and achieve anything you set your mind to. So don't wait another day to start improving your life. Take action now and experience the joy and fulfillment that comes with living a life that is true to who you are. By following these steps, you'll be able to reset everything about your life in just 21 days. Remember, it's never too late to make a change and create the life you've always wanted. Just take it one day at a time and trust in the process, and there you have it. In just 21 days, you can completely reset your life by changing your environment and conducting an audit of your relationships. These 2 steps will help you declutter your life and create a fresh start towards achieving your goals. Remember, it's all about taking action and being consistent. So start today and see where it takes you. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a final word of encouragement. Believe in yourself and your ability to create a better life for yourself. You have the power to change your circumstances and achieve your dreams. Just take one step at a time and trust in the process. If you found this advice helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on self-improvement and motivation. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. Thanks for watching and remember to take care of yourself. We'll see you in the next video.